In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Lightroom with your camera, and I want to clear up one very important thing right away. Lightroom Desktop, the cloud version, does not support direct camera connection, also called tethering. If you want to connect a camera directly to Lightroom, you need to use Adobe Lightroom Classic. So if you've been looking in Lightroom Desktop and wondering why the option is missing, that is completely normal. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Now let's get into the steps. First, connect your camera to your computer using a USB cable. Make sure the camera is turned on and that it is set to a mode that allows tethered shooting, if your camera requires that. Also, use a reliable cable and avoid loose connections, because tethered capture depends on a stable link between the camera and your computer. Next, open Adobe Lightroom Classic. Again, this only works in Lightroom Classic, not the cloud-based Lightroom Desktop app. Once Lightroom Classic is open, look at the top menu bar and click File. From the drop-down menu, go to Tethered Capture, and then choose Start. This opens the Tethered Capture setup window. Here, Lightroom will ask you to create a session name and choose where the photos will be saved. You can also set file naming options and metadata if needed. After that, confirm the settings and start the session. At this point, Lightroom Classic should recognize your connected camera. Now, when you take a photo with your camera, it should appear directly inside Lightroom Classic. This is very useful for studio work, product photography, portraits, and any workflow where you want to review images instantly on a larger screen. If the camera is not detected, double-check the USB connection. Make sure Lightroom Classic is updated and confirm your camera supports tethered capture. So to recap, the key steps are simple. Connect your camera with USB, open Lightroom Classic, then go to File, Tethered Capture, and Start. Remember, this does not work in Lightroom Desktop, only in Lightroom Classic. If you were stuck trying to find the tethering option, now you know exactly why. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.